In this video, I will show you how you can easily copy mathematical equations from a PDF to Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Whenever you try to copy any mathematical formula and paste it into Microsoft Word, the formatting is not proper. To fix this, you simply need to first open the PDF and take a screenshot of the page that you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy these equations. I'll just click on Windows plus Shift plus S, and a snipping tool will appear. Take a screenshot of the equations. I'll take this screenshot and go to ChatGPT. Here you can simply click on Ctrl plus V to paste, and the image will get attached to the chat. Here we can give a prompt, transcribe, and click Enter. Now, ChatGPT will start transcribing our image. We will have to wait until the transcription is complete. As you can see, these are the formulas that were in the image. To copy these formulas, you simply need to go to Google and search for Bibsit and click on the first website. Here, you have an option, MassiveMark AI Power Document Creator. Just click on Try Now, and the interface will appear like this. On the top, you have this red icon. You just need to click on it. Then, go back to ChatGPT and use the copy option at the bottom to copy these formulas. Go back to the MassiveMark AI Playground and just paste it. Here, you have an Insert option. Just click on it. As you can see, all the formulas will get inserted into the interface. Below, you have a Download option. Just click on it and then select Download as Doc. A document file will be downloaded. Here, as you can see, the formulas are perfectly formatted. So, this is how you can easily copy mathematical formulas from a PDF to Word. If you want to copy the same formulas in Google Docs, you simply need to go to Docs and open an empty document. Here you have an option, File. Just click on it and then click on Open. Here you have an option, Upload. Just click on it and now click on Browse and select the document file that we just downloaded. I'll select it and upload it. Once the document gets uploaded, go back to File and click on Open. In the Recent section, you have the file that we just uploaded. Just click on it. Now click on Open, and the same file will open in Google Docs with perfect formatting. So similarly, you can copy your formulas in Google Docs as well. If this video has been helpful, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.